How to install the GateKeeper client software. In order to complete this installation, you'll need your API key. To find your API key, go to your GateKeeper Hub. On the upper right, click Administration. On the left, click API Keys. This key will be used to sync your client to the GateKeeper Hub. For security reasons, half of your API key is not being shown. To show it, toggle this button on the right from Hide to Show. You'll be asked to enter your GateKeeper Hub password for verification. There we go. Now copy your API key. You can do this by pressing the copy icon on the right of the key. Keep this nearby. We'll need it later. Now let's install GateKeeper using an MSI file. Go to your GateKeeper Hub and on the left, click Downloads. Here are the GateKeeper clients. On the left is for Windows. On the right is for Apple. Choose yours and click Download. After the client is done downloading, run it and follow the installation steps. On this screen, add your hub URL. Then enter your port number. On the bottom of the prompt, there are instructions for how to find your port number. For an on-premise hub, your port number is 3015. For an on-premise hub with off-site access, your port number is 443. For a cloud hub, your port number is 443. Finally, copy your API key into the field provided and click Next. If you would like to pass credentials to Windows security dialogues using GateKeeper Authentication, keep the GateKeeper Authentication for Windows Security box checked. Then click Next. To leave GateKeeper's Remote Management field features enabled, leave the Install Remote Management Agent box checked and click Next. To allow GateKeeper to use the computer's internal Bluetooth sensor, leave the Use All Available Bluetooth Devices box checked and click Next. For the sake of this installation, select Do Not Install Fingerprint Drivers. If you would like to install fingerprint drivers, please contact GateKeeper Support. Then click Next. Click Install to begin installation. If your browser is currently open, the client will automatically install the GateKeeper Password Manager browser extension. In order to confirm this installation, click Enable Extension. Finally, click Finish to complete your installation, and the GateKeeper client dashboard will automatically launch. Make sure your hub URL is correct and that your hub status is Connected. Congratulations! You've successfully installed the GateKeeper client software. And now, when the end user logs into their computer, they will see the GateKeeper login option on their computer's lock screen.